Welcome at Octopus. This is our tutorial for refilling Canon Maxify inkjet cartridges PGI-1500, PGI-2500. All colors of those big cartridges are pigmented inks, and we have the suitable set of inks available from Octopus Fluids. For refilling, we use the cartridge ink port in combination with the little eco-fill tool. Our tutorial demonstrates the refill by using an empty PGI-2500 magenta cartridge. We have taken 20 milliliters of pigmented inks into our refill syringe and mounted the eco-fill tool on top of this syringe. Insert the tip of the eco-fill tool into the ink port on the cartridge. The amount of refill ink in the syringe is filled into the cartridge step by step. That means first you pull up the syringe plunger a little bit and you extract a little bit of air out of the cartridge, and then you push a little bit of refill ink into the cartridge. In the condition as it is delivered from the OEM Canon, the plastic bag inside the cartridge is basically free of air. And the ink port as well as the air port on the cartridge are sealed by plastic foils. These foils are punctured when the cartridge is installed into the printer for the first time. The aim of our refill procedure is to come as close as possible to the original condition of the cartridge. For that purpose, we extract as much as possible air from inside the cartridge when the full amount of refill ink has been filled into the cartridge, just before placing the cartridge back into the printer. As you can see, we have filled in the full quantity of ink into our cartridge, and the cartridge can be used in your printer directly after refilling. We would like to point out, if you would like to transport the cartridge, make sure that you close the ink port and the air port on the cartridge properly. If they are not closed, ink will drip out of those openings. When you set back the refilled cartridge into your printer, please pay attention to that it is still shown as empty. It is necessary that you confirm the use of that refilled cartridge by pressing the stop button. With that action, the ink level control is deactivated for that cartridge. When you are printing without proper ink level control, make sure that you monitor your printouts closely. If you see that the color is missing in your prints, take out that cartridge and refill it. This way you make sure that you are not printing without any ink in the cartridge. In the table you can find the right amount of ink for the type of cartridge that you would like to refill. We recommend to refill these OEM quantities as they are working the best inside your original cartridges. Okay, that's it so far for this tutorial. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. Please support the Octopus channel and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you will be informed about new videos and additional information all related to that cartridge type.